These are my favorite salmon appetizers. I made comprehensive videos for each. First, the most elegant smoked salmon canapés. They look and taste amazing while unbelievable easy to make. I like to make them around Christmas, because they are a special appetizer everybody loves. In order to make them as pretty as you see here, there are a few food hacks involved. Then there is my favorite salmon pie. I love it because it's nice to bake something around the holy days. The dough is buttery and light, perfect match for the filling. It is very satisfying to make, because it is not difficult, and it always turns out right. It is also a large pie that can feed a crowd. When you finish this pie, you can make it more appealing with nice decorations, so it looks nice on the table. Last but not least, I love to make this smoked salmon mousse. It can be served in more than one way. Makes the best topping for crackers.